Magandang umaga, bayan. So what's the good news? Tingnan kagad ang katabi at sabihin, you are the good news. Siyempre, another good news. We are here with our family led of Jesus Valle Verde Feast. Mali pa yata ba yan? Tama, no? Solemnity of the Assumption. So, let's give Mama Mary a round of applause. Tanong, did Mama Mary die? Tingnan nga natin, namatay ba si Mama Mary? Sino ang sabing oo? Kanan, meron. Sino ang sabing hindi? Sino yung walang sagot? No. Kung namatay siya, when did Mama Mary die? Wow. Now let's define what do we mean by death. Death, her body was corrupted? No. Death as her last day here on earth? Yes. She rested. When she rested, she immediately was taken up body and soul. So, this is part of our belief. And this is what we call dogma. So, in our Catholic Church, there are only two pronounced dogmas. And these two dogmas pertain to Mama Mary. Dadalawa lamang ang pronounced dogmas ng simbahan patungkol pa kay Mama Mary. So we honor her today. And these two dogmas, Immaculate Conception, Assumption, I will discuss this. No? I will share with you the background which you already know. Kaya tingnan po natin. First dogma, Immaculate Conception, 1854, on December 8 to be exact. Pope Pius IX proclaimed, no moment of her life was Mary under the dominion of sin. Tingnan nyo ngayong katabi mo. Pakitanong nga, may kasalanan ka ba? Yan. That person, nakatabi mo, not immaculately conceived. Yan. Ano? But Mama Mary, no, she was exempted. She did not inherit the original sin. Kaya talaga namang walang kasalanan. Ipinanganak na walang kasalanan. Pangalawa, ito na yung celebration natin ngayon, the second dogma, Assumption. Almost 100 years later, no? Another pope, but this time, Pope Pius XII na. Yung isa, 90. Ito 12 na, no? On November 1st, 1950 to be exact, Pope Pius XII solemnly defined Mary's Assumption, body and soul. Ang ganda na ito. So, Assumption, in the introduction, read by the commentator, when Mama Mary's earthly life was finished, she was taken up body and soul in the glory of heaven. Tingnan mo yung katawan ng katabi mo. May pag-asa ba yan? No? Now let's look at the logic of the two dogmas. Ang ganda na ito. I just love these two dogmas. And you could see, no, what beautiful stole with beautiful Mama Mary. Kaya kanina pagpasok ko pa lang doon, nakita ko ang gaganda. Anong height mo? 5'6". Oh, ganda, no? Maya, uy, dalawang cute. Wow, para talaga mga faces ni Mama Mary. Wow, yan, no? So, ang tanong, do we want to enter heaven? Talaga? Simplihan mo yung katabi mo. May pag-asa ba yan? Yan, ano? Tingnan mo lang, ha? Huwag mo nang masyadong tatanungin, ha? Pinahan mo na lang. You know, there are prerequisites to enter heaven. What are those? Una, die in the state of grace, no sin. For us Catholics, if we die without sin at all, then we will automatically go and enter heaven. Kaya, tanungin mo na kung sasagot yung katabi mo, may kasalanan ka ba? Mag-confessal ka na. Ayan, ano? And look at the logic. Pag wala kang kasalanan, grasya ang meron ka, biyaya meron ka, only then you can enter heaven, body and soul. This is the beauty of the solemnity that we are celebrating today. Pakitapik ang katabi. Hawak mo yung katawan niya. Ayan, may pag-asa yan. May pag-asa, ha? Body. So, two prerequisites. Ulitin natin, what are those? No? Alam niyo po, sa buhay natin ngayon, gustong-gusto natin yung mga seedless. Father, you want grapes? Uy, seedless yan, Father. Talaga, oo. Father, ito pa, Pumelo, from Davao. Seedless. Talaga, seedless. Oo, imbitahan ka, Father, come on. Do you want bangus? Boneless bangus to Father. Uy, talaga, oo. Punta ka sa Little Asia, Father, for the first time, no? Boneless tilapia. Uy, I like it. Makang plaging pa to, ha? Pero ano pa yon? Anong gusto natin ngayon? Yung mga seedless, boneless, di ba? Pati nga lechon ngayon, Lechon ngayon, boneless na rin ang tinde. Kaya tingnan mo yung katabi mo, baka rin boneless na yan. Ayan, ingat lang, no? Pero kung tayo nasasarapan sa seedless, boneless, ang pinakamasarap pala, tanang sinless. Ayun, ano? Ang kinakailangan, ang mas mahalaga at mas masarap, sinless, yung walang kasalanan, no? Kaya nga pag wala ka ng kasalanan, go up, body and soul. You know, sino nagbe-meditation dito? Sino nagti-TM dito? No? Yung mga yogi, scientifically, when they meditate and connect themselves to God, they levitate. Kaya hawakan mo yung katabi. Baka biglang mag-levitate yan. Maumpog yan. Ingat lang. Yun ang cases ng mga santo. If they are so engrossed with God, literally, they levitate. Kaya pala, scientifically, it's possible. The body could truly be lifted up against the law of gravity. Pwede. Kaya pakitapik ang katabi mo at sabihin mo, pwede. Pwede. Ang ngayon, no? So now we honor Mama Mary. Kaya ako tuwang-tuwa kay Mama Mary. No? I had several personal intimate experiences with Mama Mary. She is our model. So, pag modelo natin siya, tularan natin siya. Kaya paulit-ulit ang tanong, do you want to become sinless? Do you want to be taken up body and soul? Do you want to enter heaven? Amen? Kung ganon, dahil may model tayo, then be blessed like Mama Mary. Ewan ko, tuwing pumupunta ako dito sa feast, parang Mama Mary ang topic. Parang naibigay ko na tunuan, Mama Mary pa rin. Kaya ulit-ulitin ko lang rin. Now we honor all women. Pwede bang tumayong lahat ng mga babae? Huwag magsiselo sa mga lalaki, ha? Mga babae, please. Yan. Let's give them a round of applause, okay? Okay. Bakit ganun, no? Bakit ang mga babae lang ang mga blessed?